Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So in our today's video, we are going to unbox a DJI Osmo Action 3. And also we are going to unbox a SanDisk Extreme 256 GB.
Yeah.
So let's get into this video. And first, you can ask us, so how much did this cost? And how did we get it?
Yeah.
So the cost of this product, we will give you a link
that leads to the shopping,
and you can choose according to your needs.
Yeah. It comes in package, like you can buy a camera, not an SD card, or you can buy a camera with only one battery. You see,
maybe.
Yeah.
So
it depends on your budget
and also your preference.
Yeah.
Maybe you want a camera for diving.
Yeah.
So the DJI Osmo comes into 3 packages. We have the adventure combo and only the camera, and also we have a diving combo. So our part, we got the adventure combo and adventure combo.
But yeah, okay.
So where did we buy this?
Should I tell you guys, or just click the link and go see for yourself?
We bought it on Amazon, and you know, the Amazon sometimes don't ship to Kenya. And we have already done a video about how to ship from US, and
the link here.
After watching this video,
go and watch that link. You will go and learn something. If you also want to import your clothes, ladies especially, clothes, jumpsuits and the shoes, you can watch that video and import for yourself.
So what are the features of this camera?
So the feature number 1 that I really liked is you can shoot this with a 4K.
I don't.
You guys cannot see here. We are going to show you the features. So you can shoot using a 4K or a 1080.
You can shoot in 4K, 1080, 720. And also inachukua 150 degrees of angle. So
for a 4K video, that's a very clear video, guys. And it will improve your quality. So that's a really good deal.
And also another feature is it has horizon steady. Yani kama una shoot na hii camera and unazungusha tu hivi, video itakuwa iko tu stable. Haizunguki na kamera tu ndo inazunguka, lakini video haizunguki,
iko stable. You
so
see the magic.
Waonyesha hiyo
style. And another feature is that it's water resistant, cold resistant and long lasting. You can also dive with this camera and it will not spoil. You can throw it into the water, haitaribika. You can go it kwa kupanda mountain naitwa jebe, hiking. Yes, hiking. You can go hiking with this camera and it will not get spoiled. So Mike, prepare yourself, we are going for hiking.
And this will shoot the whole journey if you are hiking, because sometimes maybe it takes 4 days, and with the adventure combo it can cover the whole journey until the peak, until the summit.
Well, I don't know those terms.
So another feature that we liked about this DJI is penye unaenda kuconnect kwa nini, kwa hiyo ya coordinator selfie stick.
Yeah, selfie stick. So it has its own selfie stick.
It has its own
guys,
selfie stick.
We are not ready.
And the good thing about that selfie stick,
yeah,
ni magnetic tu, unaiweka kwa kamera inashika.
Yeah.
So hata kutoa ni haraka, hakuna kufungua bolt. It has its own magnetic,
and that's very easy, sindio?
Ni very easy to use. Na pia kama una shoot ukitembea, kuchange camera from maybe selfie stick kubebe tu hivyo, ni very easy. Na those magnets are very strong, so you know your device is secured. We will demonstrate on that feature.
Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah. And then another feature,
ni long-lasting battery.
Long-lasting battery, yeah. Because this camera comes with 3 batteries, and apart from that, the only one battery, it can last for like 4 hours. Imagine shooting and your battery lasts for 4 hours, but then that depends on
if you're shooting a 4K or a 1080.
Yeah.
But for 4K, they said it can shoot for 120 minutes.
120 minutes. That is 3 hours.
I think
2 hours. Oh, that is 2 hours.
So one battery can serve you a lot. Yeah.
2
and
hours.
Also about the battery, it in a fast charge. It comes with a 20 watt cable, so ina charge within 18 minutes. So hata ikiisha, ukiwa na hiyo cable inajaa.
Unakuwa na power bank, ndio?
Yeah.
Does it have a power bank?
Yeah, it has a power bank.
You see, guys, this is a real deal.
A little investment.
Yeah, it has its own power bank. So maybe if you are hiking and your battery died, all of them, the 3 of them, you can recharge them while you are hiking. Continue hiking. So you cannot miss any moments of hiking or any event kama uko mbali hakuna stima.
Yeah. And also umesema unaweza swim up to a depth of 16 meters.
Hiyo inamaanisha tu iko waterproof, guys.
Iko waterproof. Na pia iko na 2 touch screen.
Yeah.
Yaani ukishoot ukitembea hivi, mbele na nyuma kuna touch screen ya. Ukishoot unajiona. Na pia ukishoot na nyuma
ina function, ina record.
Yeah.
It's not like a phone when you are shooting using your back camera and you want to turn and see yourself. You have to save that footage and then you start recording to yourself. So you see, that's very easy.
Yeah.
And and that is from me. Another feature, and I really like it. It's very small. You can just hold it with your hand and no one can realize you are carrying a camera. Ndio babe.
So tumefika party, the real deal. Ya unbox.
Yeah, so guys, let's unbox our DJI. Wait a minute.
But first, also tumesema hii kamera inatumia micro SD ama memory. Inatumia memory ya inaitwa extreme. I took me the normal memory card juu ina shoot na 4K inachukua a lot of space. So it need a extreme card. So to unbox, we see what we have here.
Yeah, and the packaging is very nice, guys.
So DJI sponsor a drone.
Yeah. I hope. And to add on that, guys, we are the first YouTubers in Kenya to own this DJI Osmo Action 3. Sikujichocha. You can go on your YouTube and search Osmo Action 3 DJI Kenya. We are the ones. We are the first YouTubers in Kenya to own it. How privileged is that? So, without further ado, let's unbox it.